Hello and welcome to my tutorial on Project 1 Innovated Type. You're going to start by going to File New, name the file Believe, make sure the width is set to 7 inches and the height is 4.5. Click OK. Now you're ready to start. Go to Edit, Fill, Contents are white, click OK. Next, select the Type tool. Make sure your font is Arial Black. Font size was 100. Click anywhere on the artboard and in all caps type Believe. Select all. You're going to change your font to black, 0. With the Move tool, center the text you just typed. And you're going to go to Image, you go to Layer, you click Rasterize Type. You're going to duplicate this layer, Splat J, so you now have a copy. Using the Move tool, drag it directly below now. Before you rasterize the type, you're going to want to duplicate the layer. And then with the duplicated copy, using the Move tool, you're going to move it directly below. And then you're going to go in, double click, you're going to change the V to an A. And then with the eraser tool, this is when you want to rasterize the text. So you tap Rasterize Type, boom. Now you go in with the eraser tool. And you're going to want to erase the center bracket of the A as best as you can. And then also the center bracket of the E. And you're going to change the blending mode to Color Dodge. And you're going to double click. Go to Gradient Overlay. Blend mode is Linear Dodge, perfect. You go foreground to background. Go to small list so you can see what you're doing. You go foreground to background. -90 with the angle. Style is going to be linear. Scale is going to be 84%. Click OK. And so the text layer, you're going to move to the top of the stack, the layer that hasn't been rasterized. You're going to double click this and change this to white. F, 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 F. Click OK. And this blending mode is going to go to subtract. Subtract. So it goes back to being black. And then using the rectangle tool, you're going to click once and create a rectangle. Width is 106 pixels by 851. It says OK. I'm going to change the color to white. And then using the move tool, position over the eye. And then you're going to grab the rectangle tool again to create another square. This time with the width at 385 and the height 79. Press OK. And then using the move tool, you're going to move this over the E of the one that you took off the center bracket. You change the blending mode to difference. Difference. And then the rectangle one is going to be subtract. There you go, so you can see what you're doing. You're pretty much creating an inverted cross, so you're going to want to reposition these so they're perfect. There you go. And then you're going to add a stroke to both of these. So click on the first one, add a stroke. Set the stroke to 10 side pixels. Pixels. Change the blend mode to dissolve. The opacity at 50%. You're going to change the color to white. So F. Says OK. Creating kind of a glowing, crumbly cross. And then you can actually just take the effects down to the next angle by holding the Alt. There you go. So now you're going to add a new layer. Click the new layer button. going to say, go to image. I'm sorry. Select filter. Say render clouds. And then you're going to select the image. Go to adjustments. Click on levels. I'm going to change, you can adjust the shadow input level to 137. The midtone, leave it at 1. And then the highlights, 139. Click OK. You're going to change the blend mode to hard light. You're going to duplicate this layer, splat J, and then the copy, you're going to change the blending mode to difference. Now you take the text layer and you're going to move that to the top of the stack above the new layers. And then you're going to move layer 1 right above the background. And go back up to your first text, double click. You're going to change the color to black. I'm sorry, to white. F. That's okay. And the blend mode is going to go back to normal. Thanks for watching.